Hey guys, it's Madam Madness. Sorry for the part 3, I think it is. I had to stop last video because actually in my neighborhood, there was the tornado sirens were going off because it was a really big storm, but we're fine. And also I'm gonna resume it. So 16 to 0, 16-0, okay. Oh, I should have picked that. That would have been a pick 6. They're running it. I'm pretty sure. No, they're passing it. Third down. Fourth down. Crunch time. Miss it. No, they just barely made it. 16-3. I'm going to win this game, but it's probably not going to be by like 63 points. Oh, and guys, by the way, I changed it. 5 subscribers equals Toxic Waste Challenge. We're going to have the Toxic Waste Candy playing this game, and it's going to be awesome. There's going to be a lot of parts. We're going to make, part 1, well, there are going to be a couple parts. 1 is going to be playing a game, and if we lose that game, well, we'll make it really hard, and if we lose that game, well, we'll just do it. Never mind. Forget all that. We're going to do Toxic Waste for the first game and see if we can win it. Okay? Sorry, I had to call a timeout. I wanted to switch the play. I'm going to go for the extra point. The extra 2 points, I mean. So yeah, if you want to do that, just get us a subscriber. It's your choice. Okay, so let's see this play. Oh no, he's running it. I wasn't ready for that. Okay. And Super Sportsman, I'm pretty sure, is doing the Toxic Waste Challenge too. Just stay tuned for that if he'll do it. I hope he does. Oh, Sammy Watkins? Was that Sammy Watkins? I thought he was the quarterback, but Taylor. Oh, I thought it was Sammy Watkins. Probably don't even know who that is, but good try. But I think you get the ball anyways. Yeah, I think you get the ball, Sammy. Get the ball anyways. Yeah. Okay, let's try this. about the 23-yard line. Pretty good. 24-yard line, maybe. No, 23. Oh, I thought that was a fumble. What? How was that? Did they call that a pass? Incomplete pass? What? I thought that was going to be a fumble. Okay, good interception. What? That was a fumble? No. What? Oh, fumbled the ball. Wow. But at least it was a pick. At least I know I got a pick there, but it wasn't really worth anything. I'm going to charge in for the sack before they can even pass the wide open guy. Never mind.